Hi, Fastenal Safety Specialist Joseph Solheid here with some quick tips for purchasing cut-resistant gloves. With so many styles and materials available, choosing the right glove for your application can be a challenge. And to further muddy the waters, cut-resistant gloves are subject to two different safety standards based on two different testing methods. ANSI 105 is the most accepted standard in North America. This rating is indicated by a capital A followed by a number between 1 and 9 and is reflective of the amount of weight applied to a blade in order to cut through the material. So, for example, the A4 we see on this glove tells us it has a cut resistance rating of 4 on the 1 to 9 scale. The other standard is the European standard EN 388, which utilizes a CE score. The score measures the glove's resistance in 4 different areas: abrasion, cut, tear, and puncture. I won't go into the specifics of different testing methods used by these two governing bodies, but I will note that the method used to generate the CE blade cut score is generally not considered to be as accurate as the ANSI cut score, especially with higher strength materials. Okay, now that we've mastered the basics of cut resistance standards, let's run through the pros, cons, and common applications of different glove materials. Leather gloves are highly abrasion resistant but offer minimal cut resistance unless they're reinforced with KEVLAR or a similar lining. They're commonly used for lumber handling and construction applications. Some leather gloves come with reinforced palms for metal stamping and steel manufacturing use. One thing to remember when it comes to leather gloves is that more material doesn't always mean greater cut resistance. Cut-resistant gloves are normally manufactured with cut-resistant threads like KEVLAR or other PARA-ARAMID fiber materials. These offer excellent cut and heat resistance and are typically medium weight and relatively flexible. They're commonly used for automotive assembly, sheet metal, and glass handling applications. It's important to note KEVLAR yarns are not approved for food handling. DYNEEMA or SPECTRA fiber materials are highly cut and abrasion resistant even when wet. They're also extremely lightweight and flexible and about 10 times stronger than steel per unit of weight. DYNEEMA gloves are commonly used in the food processing, food service, and paper industries. Another benefit of DYNEEMA is that it does not retain heat, which means it's a more comfortable option for all-day use. And finally, we have metal mesh. As you can imagine, this material is highly cut and abrasion resistant, but generally not very comfortable or flexible. It's also relatively expensive, although broken chain links can be repaired to help control lifetime costs. Metal mesh gloves are often used in industries like meat, poultry, apparel manufacturing, and fishing. Cut-resistant gloves are available in various coatings for additional protection and grip. Let's take a closer look. Polyurethane coatings are soft and flexible and offer the best dexterity and tactile sensitivity. NITRILE is a tough coating that provides excellent abrasion and puncture resistance. It also stands up well against oil. Polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, is a cost-effective, light-duty solution. It offers good abrasion protection, retains its flexibility in cold environments, and resists most industrial glues. And finally, latex coatings provide the best overall dry grip of any coating. Although it's important to note that products containing latex may cause allergic reactions in some people and should be used with caution. A couple of additional tips to keep in mind when making your purchasing decision. First, don't just focus on the initial cost of the glove. Factor in how long the glove will last. A more expensive glove may actually cost less in the end if it doesn't have to be replaced as often. Also, involve your workers in testing and selecting the gloves they'll be using for their jobs. The greater the employee buy-in, the more likely they'll be to keep the gloves on while working. Our Fastenal Safety Specialist team can help suggest the level of protection required for the job, garner employee feedback, and present options that provide the best overall fit for your business needs. We can also help you implement inventory solutions that make gloves and other PPE accessible and traceable at the point of use, driving compliance while reducing waste. In the meantime, we invite you to reach out to our team with questions regarding cut-resistant gloves or any safety topic at safetyquestions@fastenal.com. Thanks for watching and have a safe day.